US President Donald Trump proposed using economic force to pressurize Canada into becoming the 51st state. It is a concern over US military assistance and trade imbalances. He reiterated that he intends to put substantial tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico. Donald Trump added that the US absorbing Canada would really become something, addressing his concerns over US military assistance and trade deficits with its northern neighbor. He said, "We've been good neighbors, but we can't do it forever. I can't assure you on either of those two, but I can say this: we need them for economic security." Donald Trump said he would apply economic force to pressurize Canada into becoming the 51st state of US, an idea he has mentioned multiple times recently. He argued that US subsidizes Canada can do without its products such as cars and milk. He said that Canada don't take our cars and farm products, anything. So we won't take their products either. We basically protect Canada. We are spending hundreds of billions of a year to take care of Canada. We lose in trade deficits. In response to Trump's suggestion, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau wrote on social media that there isn't a snowball's chance in hell that Canada would become part of the United States. For more updates regarding the news in detail, stay in touch and do subscribe to our channel.
ताज़ा अपडेट्स व बड़ी खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें आज प्रकाश टीवी और बेल आइकन दबाना न भूलें।